Hey guys. So I want to do this video for TLC because they're having a whole Black Friday BOGO sale. So if you ever want to try my products, now is the time. I'm going to put my link below, workathomebiz.org. So I'm just going to tell you guys my favorite products. So I'm just now trying the oils. So this is one I'm going to try. I'm going to try these two, rosemary and eucalyptic, because I have the thing to put the oil in, right? I forgot what it's called, right? So I'm going to try that. I'm going to try the lavender. I love lavender. Lavender just smells so good. The infinity oil. Now, if you have sensitive skin or you have dry skin, you need the infinity oil. I use infinity all the time. It lasts me for months after month because you only need a little tiny bit in your hand to be able to put it on your face or put it on your hands, okay? Now, of course, you can put it on your body, but, I mean, the bottle is small, so it's really just for your hands, you know, in your face, maybe like your ears, your neck area. If you have a baby, you actually can, you know, put it on the baby's entire body. So I love the infinity oil. All those I haven't tried yet. I got me 2 raspberry, you know, for the CBD. I didn't get any NRG. NRG actually gives you up to 12 hours of energy. And it burns up to 300 calories. So I like the NRG, okay, because it's also appetite suppressant. I love this because this literally tastes good and it helps you literally go to the bathroom faster. Let me see what else. Oh, I love the Gano and the Chaga. These are the king of herbs. These also help build your immune system. It also gets rid of like parasites. If you guys have a lot of parasites in you, you take 2 of these a day, and it helps get rid of like the gook. Is literally the king of herbs. Like these are like a Siberian. This is a Siberian with Chaga. It's a Siberian mushroom. So it's only for a limited time. You get 2 of them for you know, $60. So basically like $30 a piece. This is the Rejuve. This is for like your face, you know, and your hands. People love it. Okay. We have the immunity. Now, actually, I love this. I ordered 4 of these. Now, what this does, it helps with pain. It's like a topical. It helps with pain. It also helps with headache. So wherever you have a headache at, let's say you have a headache right now on the top of your head, you can literally rub it on the top of your head. Literally in like 20 minutes, you will be relieved, okay? So I love Alleviate. When I go to the spa, I make them use that, you know, on my body. It feels good. I make my husband do massages for me. Sometimes my daughter, if I need my legs massaged, I have my daughter do it. But it's a great, 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 great topical for pain, okay? Immunity is like an orange tea. It tastes like orange. I don't really use that. The Matrix is like a meal replacement. People say it's good. So my clients say it's good. I don't really take that. I love the Chichui because the Chichui is also a detox. It cleanses you. It also helps you to, if you're skinny and you want to gain weight, it also helps you gain weight if you take about 9 of them a day. So you would need, you know, maybe the whole pack, you probably gain 5 pounds. But it's also a detox. It's also a cleanse, and it also is a meal replacement. So if you need that, definitely get you some Chichui. So the lemon, this is the full spectrum. Lemon tastes like lemonade. This also makes you go to the bathroom. If you're suffering from anxiety, you need the Harmony Drops, okay? The Harmony Drops helps to calm you. You know, CBD and hemp is on, you know, is on the radar right now. People are definitely using it. It's legal. These are like meal replacements right here. So if you guys were looking for meal replacement or something to build up energy, you can use these as like a drink. TLC has so many products. TLC has so many products, man. This is just a NutriBurst. I like the packs. The NutriBurst is amazing because it gives you energy. It's a liquid vitamin. It helps build your immune system. This is the NRG. This is just the full spectrum of the whole oils. This is the Delgada pumpkin. It is amazing. This is the regular detox tea. If you don't want the hemp or if you don't want the full spectrum, this is the regular green tea, detox tea. And the coffee is also a detox too. What I say, the coffee is also a detox too. So if you like pumpkin, that's definitely it. And this is the season, you know, for the pumpkin. And then we have the full spectrum soap. So these are all out. This is like lipo in a bottle. Helps you lose at least 20 pounds in 30 days. If you are trying to lose weight, of course, the new year is here. So you definitely want to, you know, grab some of those. But guys, this is only limited, literally, for like the next couple of days. Once it's over, it's over. They're not having this forever. This is a one-time thing. So I want you to click on the link below, place your order, get you some products right now, okay? Try some. And if you're interested in becoming a rep, now you can try some of the products and see how you like the products so that you can, you know, become a rep, you know, feel good, lose some weight, detox, cleanse, get healthy, and then help other people also get healthy, you know. Remember, this could be a side hustle for you. You can make extra $1,000 a month, you know, with this, with real products. TLC been around for 20 years. Real products. I mean, I don't take them all. I mean, you see all these products is like over 50 products. So I don't take all the products, and you don't have to take all the products. You just find some products that you like, and guess what? Those are the ones that, you know, you will promote to your people. So, but this is limited time only, guys. So don't drag your feet with this. Literally, BOGO, buy one, get one free. So click on the link below, guys. Follow me on Instagram at Coach Tanisha Marie.